Last time on the Lazy Geckos.
Well, that was that. We are leaving the Bohemian waters and entering the Turks and Caicos.
It was a good flag.
It was.
Hopefully we won't put it up again, only because that made me going the wrong way.
Another one down.
Once again, I got to have fun wrestling a sail down in the wind. We have accumulated a little bit of a to-do list. I have to get shackles, I need to try to get the sail repaired, got to measure the rudder bearing.
A lot of paperwork for the Turks.
All tobacco goods, wines, spirits, perfumes, weapons. I'm pretty sure they're going to confiscate the weapons. If they take our weapons and we get them back before we leave here and the dog doesn't get murdered on sight, I'd say it's been a successful day.
And what about you? My dog paperwork, this was probably the most stressful part of the entire thing. Here's my application to import her. I have an international health certificate from the States, a microchip reader that'll read all microchips. So that was super easy. I was a little stressed. I think Jeremiah was too, but I mean, they were really, really nice. It was like, where are you coming from? Where are you going? How long you staying? Told them we have a couple of maintenance issues. We don't know how long it'll take. Gave us the 7-day temp permit. If you have to stay longer than 7 days, you get the cruising permit. It gives you 90 days to stay here and get your stuff done. So it was great. He was nice. Told him about the dog. They didn't ask for the papers. So I don't know. I guess she's good. I'm just gonna carry the cruising permit around with me, and you know, everything's great. All we have to do now is hoist the flag, which is exciting.
You ready, Reese?
So what am I going to do?
You're good. You're holding the flag. That's the most important job. I'm just going to take down the Q flag.
Look at what you got. This one's much better than the yellow one.
Yeah, I like the yellow one. I feel like we don't belong to anybody.
Everybody's like, they haven't checked in yet.
Oh, look at them. They didn't check in.
Oh boy, rebels. That wasn't bad at all.
No, not, you know. It was nice, but it's cool to be checked in. Are you ready to hoist it?
Okay, so you pull on this. There you go. Look at the flag go up. Tomorrow morning, they're going to come get the weapons?
Yep.
They come tomorrow at 9 a.m. for the firearms, and should be like a quick swap. They take them to the police station, and then they need 24 hours notice, and they'll bring them back to us. So that's easy too, and he was great. I mean, he said leave them on the boat tonight and I'll come get them tomorrow. So all good stuff, you know. A lot of what we read wasn't, it makes you think that it'll be really hard and really stressful, but it wasn't. It was great. I actually think this might have been easier than the Bahamas.
I have been pretty busy today cleaning the entire boat. It was a little dirty. We're gonna explore the Turks and Caicos a little bit.
We found it.
Tropicana upholstery. The people right next door is like, never heard of it.
Let's go.
Our sail got stuck up, and we had to get it down. It was flapping everywhere, and that's how it got ripped.
Welcome aboard to our daughter Megan. She's finally gotten a chance to get away for some cruising aboard Calypso.
Go exploring in the mangroves?
I'm a moron.
Why? No, you're not.
I dropped the dinghy and forgot to put the plug in, so it like filled up with water.
Oh my gosh.
So I had to just drain it. Yeah, let's go out there. Megan is here, and first day on the boat. Chilled this morning, worked out a little bit. Well, you did. I sat around. And then we're gonna drop the dinghy and go check out some mangroves.
That'd be cool.
Hopefully we don't get lost.
Nah, there's a bunch behind us. At least we got our sail fixed.
Yeah, that's cool. I don't really think it's a real type of sail repair, but it should be able to get us through until we can get it repaired, so. But I mean, he put some Sunbrella fabric on there. It patched it up, sewed it up. And the rip is in a spot in the sail where it doesn't give it a crap ton of like force. So I think it'll be okay until we can get it done right.
Now we're just waiting on weather to go to the DR. We have about a week in the Turks.
Yeah.
You ready to go explore?
Yes! It's on another level excited.
Explore, so have you ever explored the mangroves?
No.
Nice.
I'm so excited.
First time.
Let's go.
Let's go. You're driving your big sister crazy.
You see the ship?
The one you're crashing.
I don't know. All right, make sure you guys drive on the right side of the road, please.
Yeah, no kidding. I offered for Megan to drive, but I'll try. Give it a go. Maybe on the way back. We are off to provision and mail our Bahamas permit back, which is pretty cool. We were able to just leave the Bahamas without checking out because we are not planning to go back, so we can mail our permit back. Go provision and get some cash for the Dominican Republic.
Have fun.
It's Megan's first provisioning trip, so I took the list, I divided it in half, and I gave her half.
Nice.
Should be a lot easier for me.
All right, well, have a safe trip. Was that me to thrust you over?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bella. Don't forget about the laundry.
What laundry?
You gonna clean our bottom?
Yeah. The tide's dropping, and we have to go an hour back the other way to go to the anchorage. I'd rather just leave in the morning and then that's 2 hours of motoring that we could have that fuel for our passage, you know? And being that we're talking about possibly just going straight to Puerto Rico, I want to save all we have, you know? So I'm just gonna get down there myself right now and clean the bottom because it's nasty.
Well, it's pretty easy since we already went diving today.
Yeah, everything's all set up basically. I got these gloves I'm gonna use this time, just so I don't cut myself or anything, you know. Like, you know, like my knuckles basically.
Mm-hmm. Can you believe what happened during our dive today?
Yeah, everybody knows that happens. It's just us being stupid bringing our phones. Yeah, we went diving. It was a beautiful dive, and we came out and found our window and our rental car smashed.
Doing a little Turks and Caicos dive before we leave.
I hope it's not too crowded over there. It'd be nice, man. I'm gonna go over to a little reef we found, do a shore dive. Should be nice. It looks really alive. So, you ready?
Yeah, it's my first time diving in a bikini.
Let's do it. Ready?
I'm geared up.
I like it.
I feel like I'm missing something because I have my wetsuit on.
Yeah,
It's odd.
you'll like it.
Yeah, I mean, what a great little entry point.
Yeah, man. dive, man. We didn't see the turtles though. A really big stingray. It was in a really shallow part of the water, so I wasn't filming, but it was cool. He kept putting his butt towards us, so we just stayed clear. But
The puffer fish.
yeah, the puffer fish are sweet.
Did you see that one fish with its mouth wide open?
It was probably like defending his nest or something.
Pissed.
We were out for 51 minutes, and it was a nice dive.
That might be our longest dive yet.
Yep, that's the longest.
Wow. Not the deepest, but the longest.
Yep. Yeah, it was fun. Did you have a good time?
I had a great time. Probably my favorite dive
Good.
that we've done alone so far.
I have some pretty bad news. While we were diving today, our rental car, somebody busted in the window and took my sailing bag. But the dive was beautiful. It was 51 minutes long and our longest dive yet, so that was a lot of fun.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Our one GoPro gone, 2 cell phones. Oh, the shackle broke.
I've never seen a flying fish.
We are riding the coast of the Dominican. I was sick the entire night. Megan, I summoned you to do the honors. To raise a flag. Yay. How'd you feel about the overnight crossing?
No.
It's leaking?
What? Gosh, that's not good.
Come on, Meg.
Can't do it.
Cheers. Threading the needle.
So they just came up and like completely washed our car down.
Just came to the 27 waterfalls.
Episodes are fueled by Patreon. See how you can be a part of our journey at patreon.com/lazygeckos. Want to get behind the scenes? Follow us on Instagram. There's tons more fun to see on our Vimeo channel. You can find the link in the description below. We've been working all hurricane season for this. Are you ready to take this adventure to another level? We are.
How is it?
Good. It tastes good when you're working for it.
We've added a huge feature for you to enjoy. Our private server is live, baby. Visit us at www.lazygeckos.net to access episodes, exclusive content, bonus footage, live streams, photo shoots, and more. We are also in the process of building free apps for your tablet and phone. You can also qualify for free access by becoming a patron. See details at patreon.com/lazygeckos.